Very often, astrologers say that the position of Uranus in your horoscope tells you where you will meet the most eccentric and original people in your life. It's a general, very traditional interpretation. However, there is also another one. But before I reveal it for your consideration, let's try to figure it out. What people usually seem original to us? Original are those people who know about themselves more than other people around them do. Such people don't think like others. They don't look like others. They don't act like others. That's why they seem original. Besides connecting you with such people, Uranus also wants you to reveal and celebrate your own originality. Find out who you are. What makes you so special, so unique? What is your true identity once you get rid of all common cliches, standards, and general truths? Uranus is in Taurus for the moment when we are shooting this video, and it will remain in this position for several years more. Taurus rules personal income. So it's not a coincidence that lots of people got deprived of their traditional, conventional ways of earning money these days. Uranus in Taurus wants us to find out who we are by means of how we earn. As Uranus itself rules informational technologies, it's not a bad idea to try something online, even if going online doesn't make you a billionaire. It will definitely show you the way to yourself, help you reveal your own originality. I wish prosperity and luck to you and to all people you love. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell.